What up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy. Glad you're here. All right, so you finally decided to launch a YouTube channel, or maybe you've had one for a while and just was stuck. You've tried all the intros, played around with catchphrases, but every time you just like, does this even sound like me? Don't worry, I get it. Today we're talking about finding your voice on YouTube, that authentic 100% vibe that makes people think, yeah, this is somebody I watch for hours. Let me tell you, finding your voice isn't just as important for your YouTube channel. It can transform your life outside of YouTube too. So let's grab some coffee, tea, popcorn. Let's get into this thing. Whatever you need, because we about to get real. So when people say this, right? What are we talking about? What exactly is your voice? I ain't talking about your actual vocal cords or your buttery smooth radio voice. I mean your style, your personality, your whole je ne sais quoi. Better word is your vibe that makes you who you are and what makes one of people stick around. Think about your favorite creators. Chances are it's not just their content you love, it's how they deliver it. Look, we all know Mr. Beast has his crazy challenges, but it's his upbeat, let's do something wild energy that pulls us in. The thing about Emma Chamberlain, she makes us feel like we're just hanging out with a friend. That's voice. It's what makes your channel feel totally relatable and makes it you. Let's talk about why it's actually important. You might be thinking, look, can I just make content and call it a day? And technically, yeah, you could. People don't subscribe just to content, they subscribe to people. Stats show that creators who build a strong, unique brand and voice experience have up to a 25% higher audience retention than those who don't. People feel like they know you, they stick around. So finding your voice makes your videos more engaging, builds trust with your audience, and this is the best part, it takes off so much pressure. Once you settle into a style that feels like you, you're not scrambling around to sound like somebody else. You're just being you, or put on a fake persona. You just get to be yourself. And that's what we all want, isn't it? All right, so let's get practical, right? Step one in finding your voice is being experimental. Experimenting. This is where you get to throw some spaghetti at the wall and see what sticks. Try filming videos in different styles. Maybe one where you're super energetic, or where one you're more chill, or where you're deep diving into something that you're passionate about. Be a little weird, have fun with it. And remember, nobody finds their voice on the first try. Even creators with millions of followers cringe at their first videos because they see themselves working through trying to figure out who they are and their own voice within it. Experimenting helps you figure out what flows, what's natural, and what doesn't. Step two, follow the energy. When you're filming or editing, pay attention to the topics that light you up, the jokes that actually make you laugh, and the moments you don't feel like you're forcing anything. And here's a fun fact. People can actually tell when you're trying to fake something, or you're just trying to be entertaining. Viewer retention increases by 20% on videos where creators seem genuinely enthusiastic and engaged about their content. So trust yourself. When you're in that zone and everything feels easy and fun, that's a good sign that you're closer to finding your voice. And if a topic drains you, maybe it's not the right fit for your channel. It's okay. Don't do it. Step three. Step three is about connecting with your audience. You, me and you. I know it's cliche. Hear me out. YouTube is a two-way street. You're sharing with the audience, but they're also responding to you. The comment section is gold. Just like TikTok. Use it to see what resonates. Do people laugh at certain jokes? Comment on certain styles? Are they saying this feels real? You don't have to read all the comments, especially the trolls. But finding a pattern can be a big clue to what your audience connects with. And honestly, it's kind of like a mirror, showing you what people see as the authentic you. So here's when it gets really cool, right? When you find your voice on YouTube, it doesn't just change your channel. It can change you outside of YouTube too. It's like giving yourself permission to just be yourself. And maybe that sounds cheesy, but think about it. You spend hours on this channel, brainstorming, filming, editing, sharing your thoughts with the world. So if that process makes you more confident, more comfortable in your own skin, you're taking that same confidence out into the real world. Imagine running into somebody at the grocery store and they'd be like, hey, I watch your videos. And instead of freezing up, you just like, yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's me. That's the magic of finding your voice. It's not just your channel that transforms, it's you. All right, let's wrap it up with some key takeaways on finding your voice. 1, experiment and be playful. Don't be afraid to try out new styles. 2, follow your energy. Follow your energy. Follow your energy. Pay attention to what makes you feel alive on camera. 3, connect with your audience. Listen to their feedback, but most importantly, keep it you. And remember, finding your voice isn't an overnight thing. It's a journey, one that, if you embrace, will make your content feel effortless, fun, and totally you. So go out there, make weird videos, laugh at your own jokes, and keep experimenting. You got this. And look, if you like this, like the video, comment, tell me about your process and how finding your voice has helped you and changed you personally. If you want to do better, look at any of these other videos that I'm here to help with my watch time and my hours. Let me know what part of your voice you're excited to find. See you in the next one.